Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through a very good presentation, that is draw a story basically, and this is done by Khalid Said, and this is about basically the aim of this presentation is to analyze an antisocial behavior of a child or an adolescent. It's a very important presentation, and basically it is to mask the depression in children, and for this they have used DAS process to undertake this. And now we have the aggression part, and aggression is really thing that is in children's and in adults and adolescents everywhere. Everyone has it. And the depression, again, anybody could suffer from it, but mainly you need to know how to find out a person who is depressed or aggressive. And then the thing that a use of a humor, basically children's using humor to hide their depression, mask their depression or aggressiveness. And there's a test, that's a DAS test that we need to conduct for this, and that test has steps. Step 1 is basically comprehending it. Step 2 is the procedure. Step 3, you have to give to a child what he has to draw. You have to explain to him. And then you have to give him the pictures, that is form A pictures, and then you have to basically show him form B pictures, that's form B. We have different pictures, and you have to ask the child to draw the pictures as to what they want. Choosing the character from these pictures, draw some event on this board dash drawing page, choosing the different characters from form A and B, and draw a picture and a story, write a story basically. And then you basically go through the scale to see. There are 3 scales: 2.1, table 2.2, and table 2.3. Then it comes to aggression and depression. Aggression and depression, these tests are formed to basically unmask aggressive and non-aggressive behavior of the students, of the children's basically. And there are some of the results that you must know before you move on, and there are different bases of these results. And you must understand that these results are very important for children who basically undergo these sort of tests. And the other thing is predatory aggression and humorous responses, that reactive aggression. There's another test that you basically ask a student to do it, and there are sort of responses that includes humorous responses and reactive aggressive responses of different students. And masked depression is one of the most important thing that you must understand if a child is suffering from it, because sometimes a normal child shows no depression, but his response on the picture is different. There are different responses from males and a different response from female students. And it's very important that we should understand. And the conclusion of this DAS assessment is that it is not the final finding. It's not that can be given that a child could go to clinic for